Our waka breathes every time it comes out to the river, so that all its life-giving things are coming out into everybody else that's on there, you know, so that we all benefit from its kaha and from the gift that it gives everyone. The water has always been healing for our people. When our tupuni used to bring all the people down to the river, it was for that reason, to cleanse the people of whatever mamai there was at that particular time. And at the time, it was wanting wellness for our people, especially for our young men. So the services that we're providing now are just based on that tikanga, about being well, about thinking well, doing well, be the best that you can. A lot of it is a wairua tikanga based. That's what we provide, that's what we give over.
I remember some boys going off and then they'll come back a few years later and tell us about where they are now, and that we had a big influence on their lives. Then you get the ones who have come from a long life of crime and abuse who don't actually do that now. And their family now, they've broken cycles. The whānau support system is paramount, and without the whānau's help to get the boys along here, they wouldn't come.
I think what we do really well is use te ao Māori as well as te ao Pākehā to bring about well-being rather than this or that. I think that's why it works the way that it does. I think that's what's unique about it. Taking care of these boys when they come to the marae is really important, making sure that they're comfortable and they're fed properly and they're looked after and they feel safe. That's our responsibility.
So some of the successes are, just showing up for the weekend, coming in and participating, opposed to not getting on well with anyone in society, going from being a very angry boy to a very supportive and encouraging boy. And this happens in increments throughout the weekend. And these little success stories that are happening throughout the weekend are like rocks that can be laid out in front of them, guiding them to bigger things. There's been events like sports groups wanting to build kotahitanga within their groups. There have been times when we've had environmental events, and we've had our waka out there as well on display for people to see. District Council, we've had all of those events going down as well. So it's just about getting the waka out there, and it must inspire people and it must remind people. And also most of them always come up and asking, oh, what are we doing? And we mention it's a program for our young men. They get that stuff as well as always commenting about the waka, how beautiful it looks, where did it come from, where does it live, and then why do we use it? And it's often part of the setting up to get on the water is explaining that to the general public and to the community while we're getting ready. Keep thinking about that kōrero Raukawa kia mau kia ora. Yeah, for me it's about taking hold of and grasping all of that mātauranga that was handed down, the same mātauranga that was the base for setting up this program in the first place, set by those old people, all of that tikanga, and still maintaining and holding that stuff close to your heart, and then sharing it where everyone benefits. And kia ora, kia rātou, and sharing it and making our people well and strong and thriving.